Guys, today we're going to be talking about my Hoover Concept 2 that I found laying in the street. So, first we're going to start out with the Dustbuster. This is like, hold on. It's like a 70s model. So this Dustbuster called a Hoover Helpmate. It's a brownish red. I'm not sure what the switch is for. I never seen it. But the plug, see here. So you take out this little plug here. Hold on. So you take out the plug from the vacuum cleaner, and then you can put it in here, and then you put on the switch and you vacuum. But this has to be plugged in too. So when you're done, you just take that out. Here we go. Alright. I think this is a 70s model. Looks like a 70s. So it has 4 adjustments. I think, yeah, three. So it's on low carpet. Change it to plush carpet. I can't really change it because it's stuck there. Put it to plush carpet, then you can put it to plush carpet like this. And then shag is like the rug I have in my living room. I'm gonna show that soon enough. But nowadays the height adjustments, here's my bezel, are more like a knob than that. But the hold on. Sometimes this gets stuck. But sometimes this one actually works. The 2 light bulbs are out because of it's old. I found it on the street. It has a bunch of scratches, bumps. I don't know what that red mark is. Probably blood. I'm joking. It has this weird glue right here. I think there was a sticker here or something. So, turn it around. It's the bag. Really dusty. Rusty spring. Bless me. Unzip the bag, and you could, it's really hard to get out, but you could take the, oh god, they're so dusty. But you could take the bag out, change it, you know, like a regular bag. Whatever. These wheels are scratched up, obviously. It's like a, of course, if it's a 70-year-old, not 70, if it's a 40-year-old vacuum, of course it's gonna be rusty and stuff. And it was sitting out in the street. So here, you could, whoa. Press that, and voila. Voila, it's leading in midair. Hold on. Just press it one more time. Just goes back up. Alright, then up here is the handle release drive. I don't really know what that is. And here's the power switch. It's off and it's on, off, you know, like that. It has an air freshener. I don't really know what that is. Lift slide to change tablet. Yeah, but this is kind of broken. I think it's broken. I don't really know what that is. But yeah. So how to put the thing back? You just click it in. You don't need to press the button again. Here we go. Then the brush roll. Hold on. Oh, God, it's heavy. So the brush roll, it has turn on the light. Has a bunch of dust in there. You can see that. See that? It's all dust. I think I've used it twice. It's a metal brush. The bristles are horrible. It's all rusted. And these heavy-duty wheels at the bottom. It's kind of disgusting. But here, not there. I think this is where it is. I think this is where the belt is. I don't know. No, that's not the belt. That's the tube. There's a tube. There's like cobwebs. Oh, this is the belt right here. So when you're cleaning, it doesn't really get this side of suction. Like on my missile here. Here, right here where the belt is, it doesn't get too much dirt right here. Doesn't get too much dirt. I clean these vacuums out once a year. I cleaned them out 2 days ago. 2 days ago. Oh, this one I cleaned out yesterday. This one I still gotta clean out ever since I got it 3 years ago. I don't remember. I think I said it in my vacuum collection video, but I don't remember now. I would pop this thing right open right now if it wasn't too dusty. Not like I know how to do it. No. I think my grandpa fixed it for me. He put the new belt in. Yeah. So pick the vacuum up right here. There's one last look. Oh, you can also take this thing off. I don't want to mess with that. The bag is beige. I think it's some kind of brownish white. The vacuum is beige. 3-position handle, 3-position handle. Yeah, so, but most modern day Hoovers just have this. Well, the Hoover wind tunnel self-propelled has this, but it has different settings. It has dirt floor, I think it has low carpet. Hold on, you can't really see that. It says low right now. And then high carpet. And then I think you would have medium. I don't remember. This one has what a Hoover would have. Missile liftoff. It would have bare floor, low carpet, and high carpet. It would have medium somewhere in there. My old Hoover, the Hoover wind tunnel, I was only like 4 years old before I got my first Bissell. This one. Wait, how old is that? Oh yeah, 5 years old. This is my first Bissell.